They have a new decal. They have new decals. So you got to get used to it, I guess. Flagstaff E-Pro Forest River. Let me show you the outside. There you go. That's the back. The camera. No ladder. I have to check that out. City water connection, your antifreeze. A little bit of storage right there. Let me see this side. Oh, see it on this side. Oh, that's a nice path through. That's not bad at all. Fresh water inlet. And I believe that's the, I don't know, refrigerator. I have to look at it. Forgot to get the name of it. The E13LE front bed. Alright, if you want a small trailer, this might be, and if you have kids, this might be it for you. So far I like it. Oh, it was the air conditioning, good. So they have some storage up there. I would definitely put like a little net or something. Got a window here. That looks like a full-size bed. I could be wrong. You have a little bit of area right here to put stuff. Put your TV right there. What's nice about this type of air conditioning, if this breaks, you can just go to a regular Walmart, get one and put it in. They have a little refrigerator. It's little, but it seems like it's nice. Little freezer. Typical Magic Chef. Pots and pans. 2-burner sink. Sink is it's nice. It's not big, so if you're looking for a big one, it won't work for you. One drawer. This looks like a drawer, but it's just a big sponge thing. All your connections. Let me go into the bathroom. That's a nice mirror, but I wish it was a medicine cabinet. There's no sink in here, guys. Ooh. I saw E-Pros and GeoPros have Mac fans. Even in their small stuff. Huh. And then you have your bunks over here. So if you just want a RV just to have for shelter, this is perfect. I think it's perfect for you. And if you have 2 kids, perfect. It's tight, but you can manage it. All depends on what the budget is. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.